What's up, Ryker world? This is Shannon coming to you from Columbus, Ohio. Hey, I ran into a scenario and I want to see if you actually had this experience as well. And I came up with a solution that you may have tried, or if not, here's one for you. So one day I was at work. My bike was parked outside, and I walked into the building, did my thing, came back out, and I found that one of my employees was sitting on my bike. I literally blanked out. I wasn't sure if I was gonna slap him, say something cynical. I didn't even know what to do. I was almost like a deer in the headlights. I couldn't believe that you had the audacity to just hop on my bike just because it's right there because you ride too. Now, he rides a two-wheel. Of course, my Ryker, he wanted to sit on it because he never sat on one before and actually wanted to take it for a spin. I literally just looked at him like he was crazy. So he got off the bike, walked away, and I had to figure out, okay, how do I stop this from happening? Because I go to stores, I'm at the mall, I'm at an outing, a restaurant, and I just park my bike and I walk away. I never even think about somebody sitting on my bike, until I walked out and saw him do that. So here's what I did. I found this on Amazon. It's a net that you can purchase on there. So I did that in order to keep people from sitting on my bike. So with that said, try it, see what you think. But also, if you have a solution that I'm not mentioning with the net, let me know what that is to keep people off your seat. Other than a shock collar or something, I don't know, a zapper. I was literally blanked out when I saw that dude sitting on my bike, and he was smiling, grinning, taking selfies, and I'm thinking, I'm going to kill you. But anyways, that's my story, so that's a solution that I came up with. Let me know what yours is.